Okay, this is your first class? Your first?
Ah, Chat 101?
Yeah.
No, I had three classes before. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you have practice with these encounters.
Yes. I really like it, these encounters, because I think they help me a lot with my pronunciation and my English, improve my English.
Yeah, you're right. You're very fluent, right?
Yeah.
You have a very good level. What semester are you right now?
I am the five semester,
Fifth.
fifth semester.
Yeah, right now. Very well. Okay. In in this opportunity, we have a talk about learning English. Very simple topic, and we're gonna see some questions about the learning English process and learning English develop in Colombia for the second language for many people. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So the first question is for you: is English an easy or difficult language to learn?
Well, to me, I think it's easy. It's easy if we compare with another languages. Is one of the languages that is no so complicated to learn, because with our language, we have the same alphabet, and with a language
Yeah.
have the same alphabet is more easy with learning. And another thing is that English have many words that are in Spanish, so it's more easy to learn some vocabulary, and we can understand even as some words even we don't know English. So for that, I think it's more easy than other languages.
Yeah, very well answered. Um, it's right that you say because the people always have the idea of the English is very difficult because the different pronunciation and the grammar, but actually Spanish is more difficult because
Yeah.
Spanish have a lot of words and different and the conjunctions different. In the English, it doesn't exist that changes. For example, the verb for present in English, we always add eng for conjunction or
Yeah.
s for third person.
Yeah.
But in Spanish, we have to take the word and transform this word to depend the time, to depend the pronoun. It's more the difficult languages, um, and English is really easy language right now. Okay, very well, a good answer. And this,
Yeah. I think.
how long will it
I
take to
think.
master English? Is there? Are you here? Can you hear me?
Long? Yeah, I hear you. And you?
Okay. Yeah. I hear you.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, that I can understand about the questions, I think um, that the time to get a master in English, it takes uh, we never end. We never ended to get
Yeah.
English, to learn English, but to get a better level like a master English, we need time. But dedication is more important. But I think around 2 years, but 2 years maybe if we effort a lot and we have many time to study. But I don't. I think the time that take to get this level is all depend the time you dedicate to study English. So it's so is so is don't have a time a time don't have sorry don't have a time ah, don't have sorry I
Yeah,
look
yeah, don't worry.
yeah, yeah, I don't know if you understand me that
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah,
master in yeah yeah I'm like I forgot that sorry.
yeah. But I agree with you. It's true that we can learn in English in 2 years if we live in United States, because I have people around of us learning English and speaking English all the time. It's more easy to learn English in that way. But the truth is, learn English like a second language. It's a life process because you always have something else to learn.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, and yeah, it's difficult, but like you say, with a good effort, we improve in less time. But it is difficult to master English in general.
Yes.
Okay, the next question. Which English skill is the easiest to learn for you? Reading, writing, speaking, or listening, and why?
I think reading because we don't have we just need to know the meaning of the word or the words we are reading, some structure or some grammar for know the structure good and can know the meaning. But I think that is all these skills are are um, are in the same effort, because we need for doing these skills we need almost the same effort. But I think the most easiest is the reading.
Yeah, yeah. Would you say in the in the before questions, when you have a little of knowledge of grammar and vocabulary, it's more easy to understand the reading. You only read the information, and yeah, it's very easy in that way. You have a point. And now the different question: which English skill is the hardest for you?
Well, to me, the harder is the listening, because when the speakers are talking, mostly all the time they talk so fast to me, and understand all the things that I say is complicated, and
Yeah,
most of the time yeah, I need I need get some ideas to understand what they are doing, they are saying.
but for example, in this class, do you understand me?
Yes, yeah. My big
Yeah,
problem is when I talk with
yeah.
native speakers. Yeah.
In that case, yeah, I agree with you. In that case, it's difficult because the native people have the different accent, and that
Exactly.
accent is difficult for Colombian people like us, and it's difficult to understand that what they say in that moment, and they have slangs, and they talking about very fast. It's difficult understand English in that velocity.
Yeah, that's right.
But the practice, it's important. Practice to improve.
Yeah.
Okay.
Um,
Uh, Tell me.
and yeah, I just want to say that talking about the accent of the persons, I think that the person that for me is more complicated to understand is the Francis, the person who is from French, talk French and talk English,
Yeah, yeah.
because they
Uh,
are their accent is more faster than a native American speaker.
yeah, I agree with you. I study one semester learning French, and it's a total insane language. That language is very difficult for me, but it's part of the process, and nothing is impossible.
Yeah.
Okay, in this question, how is English different from your language? How do you think English is different from Spanish?
Well, I think, in my opinion, with English is different that than is different to the Spanish in the aspect that in Spanish the words you read like we write, but in the English we pronounce the words different how they they write they write.
Yeah, yeah, and that's the point from the people that speak Spanish.
Yes.
Spanish pronounce the same in the same way we write in the same, and English all well the most words change your pronunciation um,
Yes.
and your writing. For example, in the example in the your see my screen, yeah.
I'm sorry. Could you repeat again? Can I? Uh,
Are you watching my screen? You can see my
yes.
screen.
Yes.
Okay. For example, in my example in in this part, the word English, uh, we write English and we pronounce English.
Exactly.
Yeah, that
Right.
is the consequence that the Colombian people and Spanish people hate English for this simple difference.
Yes. It's a little bit more difficult, but when we practice, we are accustomed with that.
Yeah, yeah,
We go.
yeah, totally. With practice, you improve, and with study, you could learn in a few time.
Yeah.
Okay, and the last question: do you enjoy learning English and speaking English?
Yes, I do almost all the time because I really like uh, talk in other languages because I feel in some occasions that I can express better my feelings with I talk language, another language, but prefer the English because I really like learn languages. Is my course my hobby.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah,
yeah, because I am because yeah for that I told you that I can feel I when I talk in another language, especially the English, I can express better my ideas and sometimes my feelings. And
Yeah, yeah, I agree with you because I feel the same. I like learn English, but the English have something special for me.
yeah,
It's a special language, and I think that for that reason I focus in learning English with my second language.
yeah. Something that I cannot not I notice when I talk English or I listen in someone talking English is that thing sounds better in English than in Spanish to me. So for that I like.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, that's it. These classes are very short because it's the first class, and it's very easy to generate trust in the students and tutors, and we have we want the chance to students wanted to participate and join in these encounters.
Yes.
So for this encounter, um, um, I need this information for you.
Okay.
What's your short name? Esther
It's Jimenez. Jimenez.
J with JC.
Yeah.
Just
Um.
like just like that.
Yeah, is correct.
Okay. What is your course in this semester?
English 5.
Okay, English 5. And your email.
Eh, eh, I spell it. EGGJJ
Gigi.
JJ two J
JJ
two
or
J.
GG?
Uh,
JJ.
Jota.
Dale,
JJ
dale. Yeah, speaking in
JJ
Spanish.
I
Mm,
M.
spelling in Spanish, yeah.
Okay. Doble J.
Doble J, o sea, doble J.
Ajá.
Yeah.
Jiménez Ac.
O sea, pero con otra J o arranco desde la segunda
Doble
J.
J. Doble J. Tiene que ser
Jimé,
dos J. Dos J.
Jiménez.
Sí.
Listo.
Jiménez Ac. Coloca Ac.
Acá.
AC.
Ah, sí.
@virtual.edu.co.
Listo. Listo.
It's correct. Yeah.
Eh, Um, these classes, these encounters, in my case, my encounters of chats one-on-one, maybe always have place in Monday at that in this same time, right?
Okay. Okay.
So I hope you see you in other classes.
Yeah, of course. I like
Okay.
how we.
Okay, Esther. Thank you. See you soon.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye bye.